Hi, I'm Candice Batista from the Eco Hub, and today we're teaching you how to use essential oils to clean your home effectively. If you're trying to go green at home, ditching your toxic chemicals is a great place to start. And you should know that chemicals found in conventional cleaners are linked to respiratory issues. We've teamed up with Young Living Canada to help you clean like a boss. You actually don't need a different cleaner for every job in the house. You can use water, Castile soap, vinegar, baking soda, and of course, essential oils. When used properly, essential oils are actually really good for both you and your home. So let's make the two most important cleaners that you use in your home. First up, an all-natural, all-purpose cleaner that works. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, half a cup of distilled water, half a cup of vinegar, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and 5 drops of the citrus mix. Combine in a clean spray bottle, shake, and clean. Up next, a glass and mirror cleaner that works. So for this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 capful Thieves Household Cleaner, and 5 drops of the Citrus Fresh essential oil. Add all the ingredients to a spray bottle and shake well to combine. To use, spray windows and glass surfaces liberally and wipe clean with a lint-free cloth. 2 simple recipes that will make you a green cleaning machine in no time.